Hey, Dave Billings here, your Kitsap real estate guy. I have held off on giving you guys your July market update from me in Kitsap County because we've been waiting for the Fed to act, and today was the day. The Fed has acted. They have dropped interest rates by a full half point. Well, you guys really need to know, what does that mean to all of you out there, actually, right? What's been happening through the month of July? When we look back at the data real quick, we have seen the median sales price trickling down. We have seen new listings trickling down, but we've seen days on market, or the time it takes to sell a house on average, going up. Actually, right about 2 weeks now, about 14 days is what it took to sell a house in July on average. And that just confirms what I've been seeing and hearing from all of my clients and my colleagues in the business. Everyone has been holding back and waiting for interest rates to drop, waiting to see if we have fears about the election that may eventually go away. And that just means the market has been very stagnant. Well, if you're thinking that half a point in interest rates that the Fed dropped is going to affect you right now today, think again. The mortgage industry has actually already acted based on what the Fed said they were going to do. Rates used to be running a month or two ago about in the 7s. They have come down now already to the 6s. So you can already take advantage, actually last week and the week before that, of the interest rate changes that the Fed's action are actually causing because the mortgage industry acted ahead. What's actually likely to happen, what most people think is going to happen, is that if the Fed follows through with their promise to maybe drop interest rates again in November and December, because there is no October meeting for the Fed, we're going to see maybe a full point have dropped from the rate that the Fed sets. That might start to move the needle for some people. And when that happens, I think there's going to be a flood of buyers jumping back in the market, jumping on these houses. We're probably going to see a return to bidding wars. So pay attention. Know that the mortgage industry usually reacts ahead of time, and be ready to buy, because if you want to get into a bidding war, I guess you can keep waiting and waiting until everybody else jumps back in the market. But a lot of folks are saying, take advantage of the drop in interest rates that's already occurred and maybe be ready to refinance later. That's what I think it means to you. If you're a seller, hopefully that means there's even more life getting ready to return to the market. As always, you're welcome to join me at my monthly mastermind, Kitsap Real Estate Investors Roundtable in Silverdale. We're actually going to be moving to an alternating strategy where we're going to be once a month in person and once a month on Zoom. So reach out to me if you're not already getting invites to that, and have a fantastic rest of your week.